Getting a vinyl or hardy installation on your central Massachusetts home can really boost its curb appeal. To get ready for the project, there are several things that you need to do. First, you need to get the exterior of your home ready by removing any potted plants, lawn furniture, or gardening tools from the work area, and removing any window screens. Trim or tie back any trees and shrubs that have grown too close to your home, and cut your grass. Next, on the inside of your home, take any artwork or photos off the walls and secure anything fragile on the tables. The vibrations from exterior walls can cause these objects to fall and break. Consider parking your car somewhere else for the duration of your exterior siding installation. This will keep it out of the contractor's way and protect it from potential damage. You'll need to plan to keep your children and pets out of the work area as well. Turn off the power to your exterior lights to prevent the risk of shock during the project. Are you ready to replace your vinyl siding? Choose the experts who know what they're doing. Call Solid State Construction today at 508-714-7438 for your free estimate.